Hi guys, welcome back to 4DD. macOS Tahoe 26 is finally here, and now you can try it first with the developer beta. In today's video, I'll show you how to upgrade quickly and safely, no fluff, just what you need to know. Firstly, you need to check if your Mac is compatible with macOS Tahoe 26. Refer to this compatibility list I found on Apple's official website, because this is a beta version. It might have bugs or make your Mac act a little weird sometimes. So, if possible, try it on a second Mac, not your main computer. And always back up your data before upgrading, just in case something goes wrong. You can use the built-in Time Machine feature to create a complete backup of your Mac. Here's how to do it. First, connect an external storage device to your Mac. Open Time Machine in Settings. Click Add Backup Disk and follow the setup steps. Time Machine will start backing up your files, apps, and system settings. Depending on how much data you have, this might take some time. Alright, with your data safely backed up, let's move on to installing the macOS Tahoe developer beta. First, make sure your Mac is connected to a stable Wi-Fi and plugged into power. You don't want it shutting down in the middle of the update. Also, double-check that you're signed in with an Apple ID that's enrolled in the Apple Developer Program. If you're not in the program yet, no worries, just head over to developer.apple.com to sign up. Next, open System Settings. Then go to General, Software Update. Here, you should see Beta Updates. Click this icon and choose macOS Tahoe 26 Beta. Then, click Upgrade Now. Enter your password and let it do its thing. Depending on your internet speed, the download and preparation might take a little while, so be patient. Once that's done, your Mac will restart and start the installation process. You'll see the Apple logo and a progress bar. Just let it run without interruption. After the installation finishes, your Mac will restart again. When you log back in, you're all set to explore the fresh new features, faster performance, and stronger security in macOS Tahoe 26. And that's it. Pretty simple, right? If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a comment below, hit that subscribe button, and give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.